Here are 3 ways to hustle less and manifest more. Number 1, start a morning routine. The best way to get out of a hustle addiction and get into the frame of mind of manifesting more is to start a positive morning routine where you focus on your state of mind. If you make healthy, positive mindset a priority by starting your day in this way, you will always set yourself up for success. By starting the day focused on something that is not work, but is something that will benefit your entire life, you are sending a powerful signal that you are worthy of success and happiness. There are so many different things that you can do during a morning routine, and I have another blog post that shares over 100 ideas for a positive morning routine. So check that out by clicking the link around this content by going to the blog post, and there will be a link within that blog post to my post on morning routines. And just a couple of examples of things that you could do during this time that I personally do are: you could use your morning routine for meditation, visualization, setting intentions, being grateful, reading affirmations. All of these are going to set you up for success and help you manifest the success you want without hustling. Number 2, set less work for yourself. A practical step that you can take towards manifesting more and hustling less is to change the way you write your to-do lists. An unhelpful practice that leads towards hustling more is to write one massive to-do list that never ends. As humans, we love to feel the feelings of accomplishment, but if your to-do list never ends, you'll always feel stressed and you'll never feel successful. To feel the feelings of success and therefore attract more success, what you need to do instead is to just set one main task for yourself every day and a maximum of 3 tasks. When you achieve your one main task, you'll feel so proud of yourself, and it's such a satisfying feeling. You might be telling me, well, that's okay for you to say. I've got a million things that have to get done. And here's what I say to that. Create success rituals, which are groups of small tasks that you repeat over and over to achieve one main task. For example, creating one piece of content and publishing it is an example of a success routine. It sounds like just one task, but really it has loads of small tasks that go into the whole process of getting content published, such as creating images, writing social media captions, scheduling the content, planning it, creating it, etc. And if you were to write all of these subtasks on your to-do list every single day, you'd definitely get overwhelmed. So what I do is I write down all of the tasks involved in each success ritual just once, and I use it as a checklist when I create each new piece of content. So I only write one task on my to-do list every day, which is create content piece. And then my brain thinks, that's easy. It's only one task. I can easily do that. But if I wrote down a million subtasks, I'd feel completely overwhelmed by them all every time I looked at my to-do list. In a minute, I'm going to share another tip that will help you to reduce your workload further. Number 3, reward yourself more. To get your brain into a more positive state where you can receive success and work less hours, you need to be feeding it with positive messages. Be proud of yourself for the work that you've done, and you'll attract more success to you. Just take 1 minute at the end of every day to notice the work that you've done and see how productive and how successful you really are. Most people don't even recognize the work they've done, and they move straight on to the next task without taking a moment to reflect and pat themselves on the back. We all need praise, and as business owners, the only person who is going to give you praise is you. So be a good manager to yourself and give yourself a glowing appraisal.